Hi, I'm Dr. Erin Ducat with Ducat Chiropractic and Sports Medicine here in Bloomingdale, and I'm here with Dr. Barry Williamson, and today the chiropractor is getting adjusted. So I know some of you guys think we're superhuman, we're always perfectly moving well, but as chiropractors, we generally get adjusted every few weeks at least to stay at our peak performance. So today, you get to see me getting treated. All right, Doc, how join me, okay?
Again. Again. Okay. Let's go left side down.
Oh, freebie.
Right. Just go. Go the other way. Make it easy. One more. Okay.
That was pretty locked up from yesterday.
Yeah. How's your arm? Neck?
Neck's not too bad. Left arm's been doing pretty good.
Neck was ready. Now, where's your foot bothering you?
So when I'm doing lunges, it's when my toe is flexing this way that I feel a lot of tightness and restriction through there.
Okay.
But I'm not quite sure where the
Just
problem
this
is. Just that foot.
Okay, so I'm gonna go after, can you do that? Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go
Yeah, it's a little sore in there.
Yeah.
A little bit on the lateral aspect too of the foot.
okay.
Looks like I need to use my lacrosse ball on that tonight.
Yeah. And new shoes will help too.
Yeah.
One time through here. Well, we might as well be in both.
All right. Does this one feel pretty similar or is it different?
A little looser.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay, so I did that, and then it looks like this is a total vital amount of $815.
Ooh, feels great.
Alrighty.
All right. So here's the big test. See how it moves. Ha-ha.
A little better?
Pain free. Great. Thanks, Doc.
You're welcome. Thank you.